There was a time when all we tinted was Chevy Cavaliers, if you guys remember that. Cavaliers, Cobalts, and things like that. That was about 10 years ago in a single garage bay with me and one other guy. And today we get to take you around 3 of our locations because of what my team has built. So welcome to What's in the Shop on Wednesdays, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what we're working on. We've got some cool cars here today. We'll start with this Corvette to my right. This is a C8, of course. This one's getting some vinyl work. So the roof of this was red. We're changing it to a carbon flash look. So basically it pretty much matches the mirrors on these almost dead on, and the mirrors are painted. So we're gonna be doing the roof, part of the rear hatch, and then up the sides on the door and up the fender. So it's gonna be like what they call a tuxedo wrap, where the top half of it is black. Right behind it's an Audi A5. This is getting our 8-year ceramic coating from Expel. Beside that is another Porsche 911 Turbo. This belongs to our friend Kevin. He basically collects these cars, and every one of them he gets a full 10 mil wrap and ceramic coating on. This car is gorgeous. If you guys know me, you know I'm a Porsche guy. This thing has 5,000 miles on it. It's a 997 manual transmission. So you also know I love manuals. It doesn't get much better than this. Black on black, awesome car. So that one's going under the knife probably starting today. Right behind that is a Ford Raptor. This one has a paint protection film wrap and a ceramic coating on it. We're just doing a maintenance wash, making sure everything is performing the way that it should, cleaning it up for him. We have a Ram 2500. This truck got a full paint protection film wrap. So sometimes stuff happens. And when we were doing this truck, the paint protection film actually removed the paint on the tailgate. Now, it doesn't happen often, but when it does, in this case, we're taking care of it for the customer. Usually it's a defect from the factory. Almost always when we take it down, there's something that was prepped wrong, or maybe they repainted it once the car came into the dealership and didn't tell anybody, things like that. So that tailgate is just getting a little bit of paint work right on the edge where it removed the paint. So you work on enough cars, sometimes stuff like that happens. In front of it, cool car, Demon 170. This is the most powerful version of the Dodge Demon that they've created. It's here for full paint protection film wrap, ceramic coating, and window tint. The tint is done. The paint protection film has started. That'll be done this week as well. And another full wrap. So we've got 3 of them this week, plus some daily appointments for front ends and things. This is a Corvette C8, full paint protection film wrap, 8-year coating. This is for our good friend Mike. Behind John is a partial hood on a Subaru. Looks like this one probably had some body work, and we're replacing a panel. Outside, we've got 2 cool cars you guys have probably seen already. The Cybertruck Tron wrap that we did. So we wrapped this in black and then outlined it with 3M reflective vinyl. So at night, it kind of lights up like a stop sign where all of that white vinyl is. The reason it's here, the customer wanted to make sure that the option that we have is the most reflective option on the market. So we bought 2 other samples to test, and that's what you can see up there. Turns out they are pretty much the same. We're also going to be adding Cyber Beast graphic on the tailgate and the Foundation Series graphic on the front fenders as well. And beside it, ZR1. You guys know I love this car already. Manual transmission, 700 horsepower, doesn't get much better than this. Full paint protection film wrap, ceramic coating. Not sure if we tinted the windows, but the windows are tinted. It's going back to Maine. We will be personally delivering this car to the customer in Maine with our enclosed trailer. So there's not much that's out of the question for us. We'll do just about anything to make sure our customers are happy. Outside, we've got a lot going on as well. Jeep Wrangler, we tinted the front windows on. Honda Civic, we did some window tint as well as paint protection film. Then we have a brand new GLS straight from the dealership. This one's getting tint all the way around as well as the sunroof. This Dodge Charger had some old tint from somewhere else. On the rear window, we removed that and retinted it. Our friend Brad brought us this trailer. I guess I'm a trailer guy now. It is beautiful. Our trailer's nice. This one makes mine look like a toy. So really, really, really beautiful trailer, all aluminum. We did some things on this. So we did paint protection film on the whole front to protect that area from getting beat up and stained and all that kind of stuff. And then we wrapped this part down here in white. So this was just like a steel or an aluminum frame, and he wanted it to be white. So we did. That one's ready to go home. We have 2 Gibsonia guys here today. We're so busy at Latrobe, we had to steal some guys. Got a BMW and a Civic. These belong to our Gibsonia crew. Jimmy took his wrap off. Comment, let us know what color he should rewrap it. And the last one of the day, we have a Honda Accord that Ian is working on. Ian is not our normal tinter. He's usually from Gibsonia, but Terrell was out sick today, and we were very busy here at Latrobe. So Ian's taking over. We appreciate that. See what's happening in Pittsburgh and Florida.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up, we have a completed job here. This one is a Volvo XC90. This got a full paint polish and a 4-year ceramic coating. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this Model 3. This got full window tint. We did the side windows, the back window, and the full windshield in our ceramic window tint. Mark has finished up his paint polish and is currently laying our Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next in line for a polish and coating is this Range Rover. This got a track package paint protection film along with a wear and tear kit. We also tinted the 2 front windows to match the factory tint, and it too is getting our 4-year coating. On the lift, we got Jason and Austin doing this Porsche 911. This had a partial front from another vendor. We took off the PPF on the partial hood and fenders, applied full hood and fenders, and now we are doing some PPF on the roof as well. Outside and awaiting pickup is this Porsche Macan. This got a full front and a wear and tear paint protection film. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, it's Kayla here with Blackout Tinting South Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in the shop, so come on. So today we have here is a 2024 Tesla Model 3. This one is brand new. The customer just picked it up yesterday and dropped it off this morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. We are using the Prime XR here. Here is our tinter Alfredo. He just used our computer system to cut this film. We are tinting all 4 windows and 20% as well. Here is a 2024 Mercedes-AMG GLE. This one is brand new as well. We are doing a full PPF wrap, a full ceramic coating, and a full tint. We are doing the 2 fronts as well to match them to the rears. Today we have here is a 2023 BMW iX. We did a full stealth PPF wrap on it. Now, this customer has returned because they had some damage to the front fender flare. As you can see, Amari has already removed the stealth PPF and he's just prepping it to replace it. This just shows the importance of PPF wrapping your car. Anytime there is damage with rock chips or to the paint, the PPF just heals it and protects the paint underneath, as you can see.
For our loyal viewers, we want to thank you very much for tuning in with us every week. If you want to know what's happening here at Blackout, just tune in on Wednesdays for what's in the shop. And if you want to know about an update on windshield protection, check out this video.